Guys, so this is my Ram 1500 equipped with the 5.7 V8 engine. I'm gonna do a quick cold start for you guys. Maybe do some revs. Set it up like right here. I'm filming for my phone, so the camera's not the best. But Ram 5.7 V8 Hemi. You already know that's the only way to go. You know what I mean? So we'll do some quick revs. Let it warm up. Go inside the cabin. You can't. It's not really loud, so which is good. It's perfect for how much I like it. It's pretty. Turn the AC. So you guys, you can see. You don't even really hear it inside here. I like how it sounds. I love it. I love it. It sounds just what I was looking for. But leave some comments down below if you guys wanna see more videos on my Ram, and stay tuned. Thank you.